All right, what I want to show you right now is something called the span tag. The span tag is really cool because what it will allow you to do is it will allow you to change a word or a couple words inside of a sentence, paragraph, or inside of other tags. So you're not changing the entire sentence or paragraph, you're just changing one or two of the words. Let me show you how it's done. I'm going to go to W3 Schools, and to find any tag, I'm going to go down to Learn HTML, and then I'm going to scroll down to where it has the tag list. And this tag list will give you any and all the tags that you want. So if you're ever looking for a tag, you can go to the tag list, and there are all the tags for HTML. I'm going to go down here to span, click on span, and then it's going to show me and tell me how to use the span tag. So it says a span element used to color a part of text. You can do more than just color it. You can change the font style, the font face, the size. You can do anything that you can do with CSS or style sheets that we've been working on. Okay? And it's really simple. Inside of the paragraph tag, here's a P and an ending P tag, and it says my mother has, and then it's got some code here, and it has blue and then eyes. So right here, all of this up to blue is code, and then after we end our span tag. Okay, so all that's going to be left is that blue, and we're going to change it to the color blue. All right. So it says the span tag is used to group inline elements. It provides no visual change by itself, and it provides a way to add a hook to a part of text or part of a document. And the hook is, like I said, color, size, emphasis, italics, bold, anything like that would be a hook. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring up my, and what I did, just so you can see, I created just a basic web page without any formatting, just so you can see what the span tag does, because I want to keep this simple for you guys. It's not difficult, but once you get it, it's really cool. So that's what it looks like. I created a different one. And so I'm going to go back here, open up my notepad, and so right down here, I'm going to put in another P tag, and I'm going to say, I want to change the word purple to the color purple. Let me move this over a little bit. I can't see it. There we go. Purple. So I'm going to end that, and then I'm going to end my P tag just like I always do. So if I do that, and I save this, and then I come up here, and I refresh, there it is right there. But now what I want to do is I want to change this purple right here to the color purple. Okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back here, and I'm going to go to my W3 Schools, and I'm going to see that what it says is it says span. I'm going to start my span tag right there around the word that I want to change. Okay, so I want to change this word purple. So right before the word purple, I'm going to start my span tag. And after the span, because remember it said span doesn't do anything by itself, you have to put the style tag. You can also put an ID and class tag in. We're not going to get to that right now. We'll get to that later. But right now, just style. And style stands for style sheets. So you can use anything that we've already done with the style sheets. So span, and then I'm going to put style equals, and then I'm going to put whatever we're putting for our style sheets. So I'm going to put color, colon, and purple, and then semicolon, and then end that. So this right here should look very, very, very familiar, because that's what we use for all of our style sheets. So color, colon, purple. Okay? Now that comes before the word, and then right after the word, I'm just going to end the span tag so it doesn't continue to go. Because if I don't end this, then that purple would go for the rest of my document. So everything else would be purple. So I need to end that span tag right there. And so that's it. So I save it. And when I come back here and refresh, you see that it changed it to purple. So again, it's really cool. Try it out. You can do it, like I said, with emphasis on words. You can do it with the italics, bold. You can change the size of words. You can do anything that you've done with CSS. Put a background color in. Whatever you want to do, you can do it through the span style tag. It's actually the span tag with the style attribute. All right, give it a try. It's really cool, really easy. Good luck.